Right, morning all. I just thought I'd share with you something that I've been using lately to mount the GoPro to the helmet. It is this. Okay, rather than permanently attaching to the helmet, which I didn't want, this clamps to the helmet. Okay, as you can see, it has the GoPro mount on there, and it has a screw that just undo it wide enough that goes over the chin bar like that, and then is just screwed into place. You have to forgive me, I've not got this quite lined up, but that's the idea. That's what you can, that's what you see. Okay, as I say, it's fully removable. The GoPro itself snaps in the front like that. Okay, it's nice and easy. Doesn't damage the helmet at all. It cost about 14 quid, I think. And it's, how would you pronounce that? Tuyu. Okay, helmet bracket. Okay, so anyway, that's an alternative to sticky pads and having a GoPro mount permanently stuck to the lid. And yeah, you never know, give it a try. All right, cheers, bye.